A lot of people will start an e-commerce store and miss out on further sales and optimizing their site because they aren't downloading the correct Shopify apps. So in this video, I'm going to give you my 8 favorite Shopify apps that have had the biggest impact on our 7-figure e-commerce store. And stick around till the end because I am saving the best for last. Agnes! Sorry, we just got a kitten. The first app is Shogun. Shogun is a landing page builder. So we used Shogun to build a lot of the landing pages that we ended up running ads to. I've used a lot of other landing page building apps, and Shogun is by far my favorite. It is really intuitive. They have a lot of different templates, and it's super easy for drag and drop. So you don't have to know how to code in order to build a landing page with Shogun. Shogun has a free plan and then plans ranging from $39 to $299 a month. We only ever use the $39 a month plan. My next favorite app is Loox, and Loox is a customer review app. If you don't have a review app on your store, add it immediately. Having customers review your products so that other people can see the reviews is super valuable. I like Loox because it has a lot of other features that other review apps don't have. So for example, you can ask for reviews, obviously, but you can ask for photo, video, and written reviews. And you can also put your reviews all over your site. So there's different widgets you can use. You can do a review page. We have a page on our site called Happy Customers that just has all of our 5-star reviews. And in addition to that, you can also set up referrals. So if someone were to leave a 4 or 5-star review on our site, Loox will then give them a discount if they give their link to another person. And the idea behind this is that, if someone has left a really good review, they're more likely to tell a friend about your business. Another thing I love about Loox is that it has a lot of great integrations. So one of the integrations we use is Klaviyo. And so if someone leaves a 3-star review on our site, they get an automated Klaviyo message that says, "Hey, we saw that you left this review. What can we do to fix it?" And just being proactive with our customers like that has paid us back in spades. Loox can get a little bit pricey if you're doing a high volume of sales because they charge you per order, but the basic plan starts at $9.99. Another app that we have loved is Recharge. Recharge lets you set up a subscription program. So we used Recharge for our monthly subscription boxes. Their platform has become a lot more user-friendly from when we were first using it, and it is still completely free. And we love Recharge because there's nothing manual about it. So once we set up our product that we want to turn into a subscription, Recharge will bill that person again and also create the next order so that we're never, having to manually fulfill orders. Recharge is doing it all on the back end. So if you think a subscription would work for your product, I highly recommend using Recharge. It makes it 10 times easier. The fourth application or software is Gorgeous, and Gorgeous is our customer service software. So all of our customer service requests come through Gorgeous, and that's where our CS team takes care of all of our customers. I like Gorgeous because it integrates really well with Shopify. So all of our Shopify data that our customer service team would need is in Gorgeous. So, their past orders, all of their contact information, their lifetime value. If they're a VIP customer, that's all in Gorgeous. So our customer service team doesn't have to be flipping back and forth between Shopify and the CS platform. In addition to this and other great integrations, Gorgeous also has a help center, automations, and chatbots. Gorgeous starts at $10 a month, but it does go up quite a bit if you have more tickets coming in. My next favorite app is SEO Image Optimizer PageSpeed. This app automatically optimizes your site so it runs faster and it ranks higher for SEO. In the very beginning of Seller Plans, we didn't focus on SEO. We started maybe 6 months in, and I wish we had started sooner because, ranking on the first page of Google, ranking high in SEO, it's really cheap and easy marketing. You will also want a fast site. People are not willing to wait around anymore. Google came out with research that showed that the likelihood of someone bouncing increases by 32% when the page load time increased from 1 second to 3 seconds. So this is a great app to do both, increase your site speed and also help you rank higher in SEO. This app starts off free and then they have a plan for $34.95 a month. The next app is Klaviyo, and this is our email marketing platform. I love Klaviyo because it integrates really well with Shopify. If you want to learn more about the features and why it integrates well with Shopify, I have another video that I will include above. We've been using Klaviyo for about 3 years now, and I have nothing but great things to say about it. They have great templates, pre-built flows, easy to use platform, A/B testing, and great analytics. So as an email platform, it's really all you need, and it has a great integration with Shopify. Klaviyo can be on the pricier side depending on how many contacts you have, but if you have 0 contacts right now, it's going to start off as a free plan. My next favorite app is One-Click Upsell Zipify OCU, and this app helps you create cross-sells and upsells. And you want to be creating cross-sells and upsells on your site to increase your average order value. And so a bunch of different sites do this. For example, Skims does this. You can see if you brought a bra top that they'll suggest the bra bottom. And then if you go into the actual cart, you'll see suggested items. That is an upsell and a cross sell. With Zipify, you can do an upsell, before you go through checkout and after you go through checkout. So people who have purchased an item from your store are way more likely to purchase again if you hit them with an upsell right after they check out. So what we used to do is we would sell our Calathea rattlesnake, and then after someone checked out, we would say, hey, why don't you just add another one to your cart and we'll give you 20% off. And we had a lot of people take that upsell. One-click upsell will charge you based on the amount of sales that you're doing, so it depends on the volume of your store. And my favorite app of them all is Zapier. It helps you automate small tasks and connect thousands of apps together. I will give you a quick example. Let's hop into my screen. The first example I'm going to use is Shopify. So with Shopify, you can connect a million different apps. So for example, if you wanted to put all of your new paid orders into a Slack channel so your team is aware of them, you could connect Shopify with Slack. And there are 2 billion other ones that you can do. Like we connect Shopify for a while. I was helping a client with their Kajabi. So they would purchase something on Shopify and then they would be enrolled in a course on Kajabi. I connected that through Zapier. Another example is YouTube. There are, again, a bajillion apps for YouTube, but one great one would be Instagram. So if I wanted to make a shorts playlist, so every time I post YouTube shorts, they post to Instagram, I could do that through Zapier. That is it for today. If you like this video, you can watch this video all about the 7 things I wish I knew before starting my e-commerce store. As always, please put your comments below, and I will see you next week.